Hi guys, welcome back to Sheena's kitchen. So today we're going to be making pancakes, breakfast pancakes. You could have them for dinner, lunch, you decide. For dessert, they could be anything literally. So we're not making any ordinary pancakes, we're making cinnamon peanut butter pancakes. They're going to be so delish. I've already decided because you already have cinnamon in that and peanut butter. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and start with our eggs. So break your egg and then put it aside. So next we are going to go ahead and get our bowl, which we are now going to start mixing in our dry ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and start with our flour. I'm using 1 cup of flour here. And then what I like to do is actually create a well in the center. So next we're going to go ahead and add our sugar to the center of the bowl where we've just created our well. Then I'm going to be adding my baking powder. The baking powder, I like to put it to the sides. A pinch of cinnamon. A bit generous with the cinnamon. And then to that, we're going to go ahead now and add our egg to the center of the bowl where we just put our sugar. And then add our milk. So the milk, I'm adding it to the center. Then I'm going to start whisking. Once your butter is mixed, go ahead and add your margarine or butter. I'm using butter. So a tablespoon of butter. And then to that I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then just mix that. So once your pancake batter is mixed, go ahead now and move to the stove. So to the stove, we're going to get our pan. So to the pan, I'm going to add some oil. And what I like to do is add a little bit of oil and then spread that out with a paper towel. So when you spread out the oil with the paper towel, just make sure that the oil is even and your pancakes will cook evenly without having too much oil. So a tip for you guys, I always find that if you're using a non-stick pan, it's always so easy to go ahead and use the same amount of oil used at the beginning without having to add any more oil, because the non-stick pan doesn't require a lot of oil. But if you're using a normal aluminum pan, you might need to add extra oil, but usually I don't. Once your pan is hot, go ahead and add your batter mixture. Just use a normal scoop. Go ahead and turn your pancakes once you see the nice bubbles forming. And then give that another minute on the other side so it can brown nicely. So once your pancake is ready on both sides, you take it out of the pan and onto a plate. So once you're done making your beautiful pancake stack, oh look at my, it looks so delicious. I mean, you could go ahead and eat it right now, but then I'm going the extra mile and making the peanut butter sauce. So for the peanut butter sauce, we're going to be using some butter, milk, peanut butter and sugar. And we're going to go ahead and let that cook and get warm until the peanut butter dissolves into the milk. Then we're going to pour that onto the pancakes. So get a saucepan, and then in the saucepan, pour in some milk. And then some butter. And the peanut butter, our favorite. And then pour in your sugar. Once you've added all the ingredients to the milk, go ahead and start whisking it because the milk will start getting warm. So once you've mixed all the ingredients, let your sauce reduce until it's thick. That will take about 10 minutes or so. So it should be this consistency, and you can get a spoon to just see that. That should be the consistency, nice and thick, so that it can run on your pancakes, so it's not so runny on your pancakes. So for our pancakes, once I drizzle the peanut butter sauce onto them, I'm going to garnish them with some fruit. I'm using strawberries and bananas, so I just want to go ahead and just cut this into half. I'm leaving the stems on just for aesthetic purposes, so you can remove the stems if you want to. And then get your banana, chop your bananas. So our fruits are ready and our pancakes are ready, and so is our sauce. So I'm just going to go ahead and start plating this up. Oh, and our sauce is so smooth, look at it. So we're going to go ahead and pour the sauce over our pancakes, which is going to run through. Which is why I mentioned I wanted it thick but not too thick. And again, you don't want it light, because if it's too light then it's just going to be like watery, and you don't want that. Then I'm going to go ahead now and just add our fruits on top of the peanut butter sauce. Ooh, look how pretty it looks. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to dig in. So I've topped my pancakes, of course, with the peanut butter sauce and a bit of some fruits. The fruits I'm using are strawberries and bananas, but you could use whatever you wanted. Like if you had apples, actually apples would be a great combination for this because there's cinnamon in the pancakes, remember? So that'll be really good. So now we're just going to go ahead and dig in. The peanut butter in this is just so amazing. It's like so luscious in your mouth, like it just melts in your mouth. Oh, yum. I just want to eat the whole thing, but of course I can't do that. So if you guys really enjoyed this recipe, the peanut butter pancakes with cinnamon in them, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media at Shina's Kitchen, where we'll be making fun, interesting recipes. So until then, bye!